What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video and walking right into this unboxing slash swatching. This is Nail Reserve LA Vegan Gel Polish, and this one is called Marry Me, and I love it. It's so beautiful and elegante. This is like the perfect color, I feel, to go with like any bathing suit ever in summertime, and it looks so elegant and like very gentle, so I really love that color. And then we have this one, and I didn't even catch the name, you guys, I'm so bad, but I like it. It's I don't know, it's like a grayish nudish. I think I may have thought it would be a little more nude color, and that's why I got it. And then we have this green one called Royal Green or whatever, and I really like this one. It turns out that it does look kind of jelly, so you guys are gonna see that, and it has some thickness to it, which I kind of like that. You really don't need a lot to get a good coverage on this polish. And you guys, a little spoiler alert, I had posted on my Instagram, which, by the way, I did post the actual unboxing of these on my Instagram, and this one is a super beautiful, it's giving blood vibes, okay? But I posted on my Instagram the actual unboxing straight from the box because I wanted to show you guys some love over on Instagram. I really am not that good at doing all the different platforms, but I'm trying to get better, so definitely go show that some love. I'm gonna drop the link to that reel down in the either the comment section or the description. But anyways, look at this color, you guys. I thought by the bottle that this one would be like a cat's eye gel or something. I don't know if they have cat's eye gels. I've never specifically seen them, but I did end up trying to see if it was a cat's eye gel, and it wasn't, so don't get your hopes up. But I truly love this one. Sometimes the camera doesn't pick up on the actual, so this one has like a little bit of color to the glitter. I'm gonna have to show you guys some of the colors in the sunlight so that you can see that they do have like a glittery color, not like an iridescent glitter, not just like a silver glitter. But this one in particular had a silver glitter. The other blue one had an iridescent glitter to it, and this one is more of like a super fine glitter. And once we just do the bottle pulls on all of them, we are going to go ahead and swatch them. By the way, how do you guys like my nails or whatever? I will go ahead and drop in the blog post the video where I created these press-ons, and I did go ahead and put them on camera. I think I'll put together a video for that. It'll probably be like an unlisted video that will be specifically for my my blog site, so that you guys can see that as well. Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna actually swatch the colors, and I finally got some swatch sticks. You guys, I ordered from AliExpress, and I don't even want to look at the app anymore because half of my stuff got sent back, which I don't understand, and it's annoying. So we'll talk about that later. But for now, let's talk about this beautiful gel polish. Okay, so as you guys may know, I truly do really adore Nail Reserve LA's gel polishes because they're just beautiful. You really do not need a thick application. If you do apply this polish thickly, it will not cure correctly. It may look like it's gonna cure correctly, but it will backfire on you. So just don't do a thick coat, just do a thin layer if you have to layer it up. But that's the thing, these polishes are typically so opaque that you don't have to do multiple layers. I usually still do 2 nevertheless, but they are vegan, cruelty free, And then they're nine free formula, which means that they're free of at least 9 toxins typically found in nail polishes. Okay guys, and here is royal green. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with this color. You guys, well, you probably know green is one of my favorite colors. Like obviously lime green, hot pink, I've told you guys like I'm obsessed, but this, I did not expect it to be like a jelly, and it's just so beautiful. It's literally giving, it's not like very jelly, and it's definitely not like a neon jelly, but look at it. Like, how could you not be obsessed? It's giving money nail vibes. But anyways, you guys, someone had requested to see, now my cat is whining. So first my kids were like making noise and I had to tell them to be quiet. Now my cat's whining because she's gotten woken up. So, oh well, I just have to deal with it. But anyways, one of you guys requested jade nails, so I'm going to be doing those soon. And this red is like the perfect bloody red. I love it. It is literally, that's why I really wanted to get it, because I wanted to see how it's going to look. Come here, Molly. Come here, girl. What are you whining for? She loves to whine because she always wants to go outside. And it's it looks kind of like, it's not super opaque. And I do like that too, because when you're creating blood, like some of it looks thicker than other. So I can see that I won't have to really layer it for the thinner blood or like the lighter blood. And then for the thicker blood, I'll still like it. I don't know how to explain it, you guys. I guess you have to be inside of my artist mind. But my mind goes crazy when I see some stuff. Like this color is literally so obsessive. It's one of those colors I feel that you just do a full set with just the color and you accentuate it. But also, and maybe add like, you know, like a couple of bling nails or something like that. But I was thinking this is like, I want to do like some kind of ocean nails. So I've been like basically building up a collection of polishes that I want to do to create a mermaid nail set. I just haven't like taken the dive yet. And I feel like that color right there is definitely one of those colors that's going to be a part of it. And I don't remember the name, but if it had ocean in it, then for sure, like, hello, no brainer. But anyways, this color right here it's really giving playful vibes. And I wish that you guys could see that it does have iridescent glitters. So I'll show you guys in the sun. Last time honestly, I tried to put their, on my Winnie the Pooh nail set, I had iridescent glitter on there. And when I put it in the sun, it didn't show the color. Maybe I didn't have the right angle, but yeah, this is an iridescent glitter. It's not just silver, and it is so effing beautiful. And then we have this one, and it has the fine glitter, and it's a super deep royal blue, giving galaxy vibes, giving like Big Dipper, Little Dipper. I don't know any of my constellations and all of that, but yes, that's what this is giving. And I really like, look at how obsessive this is. Oh my gosh. And as you guys may know, you can save 50% off of Nail Reserve polishes if you use my discount code over on their website. And I never remember my discount codes. I'm so sorry, but I'll leave it down below. And that's basically because I used to just want it to be Scorpion Goddess, and then some companies make it like Goddess Nails and Goddess Nails 30 and 50 and 15 and 20. And so, yeah, I cannot keep up. But it's also over on my website at www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. If you go to my blog site, then you'll see that I do have all of my discount codes there. I also conveniently have put all of the links to the website. So when you click on the logo of the website, it takes you over there and you're already set to shop, and it usually has my discount applied already. But I also have on my blog site, it shows the actual code if you need to type it in. But anyways, this that last one is also iridescent, and you guys saw me unbox a similar color in the Rosalind gel polishes, which we are going to be using soon. It's basically the same exact polish almost. I mean, they look identical, which I really love, and I wanted to get one for Now Reserve because it's vegan. But here is the final result. Drop a comment, let me know which colors are your favorites. I love the vibes: Christmas vibes, oceans vibes, galaxy vibes, nude vibes, wedding vibes, all the vibes. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.